Hello and welcome to orientation for the Salesforce Readiness Initiative through Brooksource. My name is Nicole Prekop and I am a National Program Manager for Elevate, and I help to direct this training program for participants nationally. Over the years, I've actually had the opportunity to personally work with many of our graduates, and it's been incredible to see firsthand how they've taken advantage of this training opportunity, grown their skill sets, and ultimately changed the trajectory of their careers. So today, as part of orientation, we'll be covering quite a bit. We'll start with just more of an overview of Brooksource, Elevate, and Salesforce. Then we'll dive into more specifics of what the Salesforce Readiness Initiative entails from a technical training and career development standpoint. And finally, we'll wrap up with some logistics around tracking progress and what you can expect as we move forward. So to start, is an IT and engineering consulting firm, and our goal is to help talented individuals like yourself get your foot in the door at one of our clients across the country. At Brooksource, we actually specialize in associate level hiring through our associate consulting program, Elevate. So this program is specifically focused on helping to provide training and career development to help upskill individuals to get their foot in the door. So with that, that's where our Salesforce Readiness Initiative comes in. We're entirely focused on helping individuals learn within the Salesforce ecosystem with the end goal of hopefully finding opportunities with one of our clients. So a little bit more about Salesforce. It is a growing technical ecosystem, and as you can see here through some of these stats, many organizations are using Salesforce and are in demand of talent that are able to work in that space. So Brooksource actually has a direct partnership with Salesforce and their Tech Alliance. And what that enables us to do is directly work alongside them to ensure that we're able to provide the best and most robust training options for individuals through our Elevate program. Within Salesforce, there are a ton of different opportunities, job functions, products. The ecosystem is incredibly vast. So we encourage each and every one of you as you're working through the training program to truly explore what these could look like for you. I've actually seen with many individuals that I've worked with, they come in with one specific idea in mind of the direction they're looking to go. And based on the training or the modules that they complete, they actually find that they're more motivated or interested by a different module or product. And that is entirely okay. I encourage you to take advantage of this training program to truly explore and see what might be the best fit for you long term. So to dive into the actual training program, there are two pieces. The first is the technical training. So our Salesforce Readiness Initiative is going to focus on the admin beginner trail. So that trail is comprised of 7 different modules. You'll see those listed on the right-hand side, and those modules are focused on providing a foundation and basics of Salesforce. This is the beginning place and where we encourage everyone to start, and we can always add additional trails as you move forward, but definitely start here. After orientation, you'll be receiving a link to this specific trail, and it's super simple. All you need to do, follow that link, create a personal profile. I'll mention it is free, and once your profile is set up, you're able to begin. The first trail is just under 10 hours of content, and it's entirely self-paced. So feel free to take your time working through the modules. You're able to work through it as quickly or as slowly as you need. And your Brooksource team is right there with you for any questions that you might have. After you finish your Salesforce Admin Beginner, ask for recommendations on additional trails or additional modules that could be of interest based on what you're looking to explore. In addition to the technical component of the Readiness Initiative, we also want to ensure that we're providing great focus on career development and job search support. So we've created this tool that you'll see on the right, the Professional Accelerator, to help gamify that career development. So this tool is actually built off of the 6 core values of Brooksource. So each hexagon is a core value, and within each one of those are 6 different personal or professional milestones to help you through that job search and exploring that career in the Salesforce ecosystem. So some of those milestones, they may include understanding how Salesforce impacts a direct end customer, what a day in the life of a Salesforce developer may look like. Really focus on creating that understanding of how Salesforce impacts. So some of the milestones you'll find are actually directly parallel to the technical modules that you'll complete in Trailhead, and that was very purposeful. We want to ensure that that tech training directly aligns with that career development. So as you're working through both the technical piece and the career development, we want to ensure that you're able to track your progress. So for the technical component through Trailhead, you'll be able to take screenshots of each of the badges that you earn and simply email them to your recruiter. Each module in Trailhead, you earn a badge. So for the Salesforce Admin Beginner, you'll be earning 7 badges to complete that trail. For the Professional Accelerator, you'll be receiving in the next day a tracker to track the different milestones as you complete them. It's a super simple, list out the milestone, ask for the date, and there is a note section where you can comment on how you completed that specific milestone or what you thought about that specific day in the life or that resource. And that's a great way that we can help make recommendations as you work through the training program. I think it's really important to also note that your recruiter is going to be your best point of contact as you work through both Trailhead and the Accelerator. So if you're finding that you're needing help to complete one of the modules or one of the milestones, or you're looking for some ideas or ways to complete in which order, your recruiter is your accountability partner and is going to be able to make the best recommendations for you based on where you're looking to go long term. And with that, we also want to be the best career coach for you that we can. So your recruiter is going to be focused on providing a consistent support and consistent communication channel to ensure you have everything you need to be successful. So not only are we going to be sharing different resources and opportunities for you to continue to explore the trends and within the industry of Salesforce, but we also want to ensure that we're providing access to opportunities with our customers across the country. And with that, as you're adding these new skills and tools to your tool belt, we want to ensure that you're equipped to add that experience to your resume, add it to your LinkedIn, feel comfortable talking about it in an interview, and that's exactly what we're here for. So if you're having any questions or concerns about any of those pieces, your recruiter is your go-to person. Moving forward, what you can expect, first things first, start training. So tomorrow you'll be receiving a link to Trailhead to begin your Salesforce Admin Beginner, and you'll also be receiving information on how to complete and start completing your Professional Accelerator. You'll also be receiving an interest survey in the next few days, and this is really helpful for us to better understand your motivators and your current interests. So there'll be opportunity to share the types of Salesforce roles you're interested in, the location, or if you're looking for more remote work, your general start availability. That information will help us align and keep opportunities in mind that could be of interest for you. And then finally, it's so important to continually communicate with your recruiter throughout this training program. Again, our goal is to help you explore opportunities with our customers and our clients. Unfortunately, we aren't able to guarantee employment upon completion of the training, but our absolute end goal is to best understand the roles that you're interested in within Salesforce and find the best fit for you. So as we work through this, if you have any questions, your recruiter, again, is going to be your best point of contact through the entire training program. And overall, I wish each and every one of you the best of luck as you begin your Salesforce journey. And I hope you have a great time training.